In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simplify your browsing experience by reducing the number of CAPTCHAs you encounter while using Google Chrome. We've all been there. You're browsing the web, looking to quickly access information or log in to a site, and boom, you're stopped by a CAPTCHA. These little tests can be frustrating, but they serve an important purpose: distinguishing human users from bots. Now, it's important to realize that CAPTCHAs are not controlled by Chrome itself, but by the websites you visit. Websites implement these tests to ensure you're a real person. Unfortunately, you can't completely disable CAPTCHAs in Chrome, but you do have the power to minimize their frequency and to make solving them easier. First, a straightforward step you can take is to clear your cookies and site data. While we won't dive into the specifics of how to do this right now, know that it's a great way to refresh your online presence and reduce CAPTCHA triggers. Another tip: avoid using VPNs or shared networks that could appear suspicious to websites, thereby increasing the likelihood of running into these little challenges. Lastly, ensure that your Chrome browser is up to date. Keeping your browser updated not only enhances your overall browsing experience, but also reduces potential security flags that might lead to more CAPTCHA instances. If you'd like an additional layer of convenience, consider using a CAPTCHA solver extension. This can significantly ease your interactions with these tests. Let's walk through how you can do this. Head to the Chrome Web Store and search for CAPTCHA Solver. One great option is Buster, CAPTCHA Solver for Humans. It's efficient and user-friendly. To add this extension to your browser, simply click Add to Chrome and then confirm by selecting Add Extension. After installation, you'll notice the Buster icon appears right beside your address bar. Now, let's see this in action. Open a new tab in Chrome and search for reCAPTCHA Demo on Google. This will lead you to a page where you can practice without any real consequences. On the demo page, you'll see a checkbox that says, "I'm not a robot." Go ahead and click it. What's great about using the Buster extension is that it will automatically manage this task for you without requiring you to select pictures of buses or traffic lights. Pretty neat, right? With Buster, you'll quickly notice that you don't need to manually solve the CAPTCHA puzzles anymore. This can save you time and help maintain your flow, especially if you frequently encounter CAPTCHAs in your daily browsing or work routine. So, there you have it. Some simple yet effective ways to streamline your browsing experience by dealing with CAPTCHAs more efficiently.